Welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you how to make a cucumber eye mask. You're going to need an eye mask holder. This is where you'll put your eye mask into. 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Put 2 tablespoons of hot water and you're going to mix it with the gelatin. Once most of the clumps are out, you're going to mix in 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. You can use a blender for that, which is what I did. Mix well. Now it's time to carefully place the eye mask into your eye mask holder. Cucumber is really great for under the eyes because it helps with puffiness, bags, and it helps with dark circles. So here we go. We're going to let it cool down and try them out. Also, don't throw out the leftover because there will be leftover. Put it on a flat piece of parchment paper or put it on a plate, and then you can peel it and cut it into small pieces and put it in the fridge. They are all done. Have a look. Pull it out. That. Just rip it. Put them on just like that, but I like to cut them so they're perfectly shaped. Press them down so they stick. And there you have it. Leave these on for 10 minutes. I actually popped mine in the fridge as soon as I made them. I let them cool down in the fridge and it gives it such a nice cooling effect. Here's another tip. If when you're taking them off, there's a little bit of sticky residue left from the gelatin, all you have to do is use a face cloth, a little bit of water, all gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more beauty.